Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be brand new, make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all my video uploads. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I like to trim my bangs. This is an updated video. The first one that I did was 3 years ago. So I'm going to get started with scissors as well as clippers and also a comb. You can use whatever you have at home. It doesn't have to be a fancy pair of clippers or trimmers. Whatever you have is going to be good. So I'm going to start off by sectioning the section of my bangs that I want to trim. I always like keeping 2 longer pieces, and then the rest of my hair goes behind my ear. So anything that's not going to be trimmed goes behind my ears. You can also clip your hair if you want to, but my hair is short, so I'm just going to do this. So I'm going to start off with the clippers, and I like to use the clippers to create a rough guide and also just kind of like quote unquote select how short I want to go. I find this a lot easier to control than just going in with your scissors. I find that with just going in with your scissors horizontally, you're most likely going to get very crooked lines. So that's how I like to incorporate the clippers. Plus, it's a lot quicker as well. So now, just like in my previous how I trim my bangs video from 3 years ago, I'm going to start point cutting. First, I'm going to do very short layers. I'm just going in little by little and doing very short clippings to not select, I'm talking like I'm photoshopping something, but I'm just trying to be more selective on how I want my bangs to look. So that's where the shorter point cutting comes in hand. I will be doing some longer ones in just a second to make my hair look a lot less thick because I do have a lot of hair. Now I'm going in and doing the point cutting a little bit higher up to get rid of that bulk. And with this video, it's mainly intended for those of us who haven't been to a hairdresser during quarantine. I know many countries are back into lockdown. Some states in the US are about to lock down again. So I hope you find it helpful. I usually do trim my bangs even before quarantine began. It's just a lot more cost effective for me to do so. So I always do like to, step back, assess the situation, and then determine if I need to kind of balance out the bangs more. Usually one side will look heavier than the other, and that's when I can go in and just focus on that area. With trimming your bangs, make sure to do it little by little. Trust me, you will notice a difference when you rush than when you take your time. So if you have any stranglers, that's when I also like to go back to the clippers and just get those last little stranglers out of the way. It's a lot easier. It's also a lot quicker as well. And if you do like to have more of a straight bang, the clippers make it super easy. So that's pretty much it. The whole process without editing took me like 5 minutes. I've been trimming my bangs for years now, so I feel very comfortable. But as I said, it does take some practice. So little by little, you'll start getting the hang of it more. If you do have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. I will be uploading a video on how I trim my hair during quarantine on Friday, so stay tuned for that. Bye!